Hello everyone and welcome back to the Breakdown How To. Today I'm in our WordPress dashboard here and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up a dropshipping website with WordPress. But in order to set up a dropshipping website with WordPress and WooCommerce, you need to have one set up. And to do that, you can go to the breakdown.xyz/Bluehost to get an awesome WordPress website automatically set up via Bluehost with a free domain name and free SSL for just $3.95 a month. Guys, you will not find a better deal out there for all of the value that Bluehost packs in. That's why we recommend them, and that's why we use them. All of our sites are hosted on Bluehost. Go to the breakdown.xyz/Bluehost. Again, it's the first link down below to get an awesome website up and running on WordPress. Now, I'm assuming for this tutorial that you are okay with manually inputting all your orders. When someone goes to your site and buys something, you are okay with manually going over and clicking and doing it on AliExpress or whatever dropshipping site you use to place that order and get it delivered to the customer. If not, you're going to need a plugin like this. This is called WooCommerce Dropshipping with AliDropship. This is an awesome plugin that is absolutely great for any and all of those who want to automate this entire system. It allows you to add products easily, and it allows you to send orders to AliExpress suppliers in one click. This method that we're using here will not do that, but if you want to check this out, it's only $89 for one site, right? One time, $89 fee per site, and you're good to go and use it. So that is absolutely awesome. But nevertheless, I'm not going to be using this in this tutorial. We're going to be doing things manually, so you don't have to worry about that if you don't have it. Nevertheless, how can we set up a dropshipping site? Well, first off, we need to find our dropshipping product. So you can go to the third link down below, and that's going to take you to AliExpress here, where we can then search for our product. I'm going to search for wooden iPhone stand because I know that's a product they have. I actually have one of the type of stand that we're going to be using here, and this is it. Now, as you can see, I typically like to look for free shipping on products via ePacket, but this one says it's $1.55 via ePacket, and we're going to be able to sell these for $9.99 easily, so that's not going to be a problem for us. But it is something to look at. And the reason I'm going with this one over this one, even though this one does have free shipping and is overall cheaper, is because of the order amount. This one has a lot more orders and a lot more positive reviews than this one does. I'm sure this is a great product, but this one overall has more reviews and more colors and is just better. So with that, we're going to click on that. It's going to open up this. And now I'm just going to be adding this product to our store. How do we do that? Well, we come over here and add a product just like you normally would, right? The thing about dropshipping, guys, I would recommend always offering free shipping. So make sure that you get this shipping price in your price, calculated in. So here we're not actually paying $382. We're paying $382 plus $155. We'll call that an even $5. And with that, I want to double my money, so I need to price it at about $9.99, $10.99, somewhere in there to make the margin I want on it. So that's something we need to keep in mind. We also need to make sure all of our different colors are the same, right? That all of them are the same exact price, and they are. That's good. Something else I always look for is models with a phone in it, or if you're, doing a t-shirt or a bag or something, look for models that actually have a person in them. That's great there. So we've got that, models with the phone. This is a great product to dropship. So we added a new product over here. That's what it is. We're just going to call this a wooden iPhone stand, right? And then for the description, you can copy in whatever you want. I would typically recommend throwing in some of these product details here. I can see this is bamboo, walnut, or beechwood. And then we've got the item size, what it's good for. I'm going to go ahead and transfer some of this information over, and then I'll see you in a second. So as you can see, we've copied over material, item size, and weight just directly from this AliExpress product page here, right? Copying these over, and you're good to go. You also want to add a description up here to the top. So let me do that real quick. So there we go. Incredible real wood iPhone stand that looks incredible in any setup you can imagine. And right here, what I'm doing is actually trying to help the imagination, whether it's a darker contrast on a white desk or a subtle feature on a wooden desk is what that's supposed to see, or feature in an all-wooden setup would sound even better. I'm not even posting this product. I don't know why I'm doing this, but this iPhone stand is absolutely beautiful no matter where you use it, right? So that's pretty good copy there. Not great. It could be spiced up a lot. I get that, but it's pretty good. And with that now, we can go ahead and move on. So I think that's a good long description there. You can copy this and reuse it for your short description, right? Whatever you want to do. I'm leaving that up to you guys. So if we come down here, we've got the product short description. I'm just going to post that down there. You can do a bigger long description if you have here. I'll just copy this. Like I said, I'm not actually posting this product this time. Typically when I do stuff on this channel, I do actually post the product, but in this case I'm not going to because I'm not interested in dropshipping currently. So there's that. Now we can go ahead and input our price. So our price for this, let's say our regular price is going to be $11.99, but we're marketing it off to $9.95. Our margins on that are pretty good, around $5. Not exactly, but right around. And I'm happy with that. I've also seen these listed on Amazon, like these exact products here listed on Amazon for around that same price. So I'm actually closer to $15. So we're competitive there. That's great. Inventory. Now you can manage inventory here if you want, but the thing is you're not going to know how many of these come or go. Currently there's 30 pieces of each available, 29 actually of the walnut. The rest of them have 30 pieces available. Now that's something you need to watch constantly. When we were drop shipping this using this method, I was checking every single day to make sure our products were in stock, and if they weren't, I had to go mark them out of stock on our website. But these are obviously all in stock. Now we also want to change this to a variable product, then come down here to attributes, and our only attribute here is actually going to be our color, right? So boom, click add custom attribute. It's going to be color, and we're going to have walnut, right? And we actually have our materials up here, which is great. So we've got walnut, bamboo, and then beech wood. And then there we go. We can save the attributes, but we want to make sure they're used for variations as well. Then click Save Attributes. And now we can go down to Variations and set up these product color variations in order to make things look nice. So Variations here, Add Variations, Create Variations from all attributes, Go. Yes, we want to do that. And there we go. That'll now go in and create variations with all of these attributes up and running. There we go. 3 attributes added. And now we have different color attributes that we need to set up. So first off, let's set up walnut. Now our pricing is going to be the most important thing here. So regular price is going to be $11.99 and then $9.99 on the sales price, or $9.95 rather, on the sales price. This item's in stock. The weight, we can come back over to here and see what it is. It is 60 grams. Convert that really quick to ounces. Let's do 2.12 ounces, right? So 2.12 ounces. We can do the length, width, and height, right? We've got that over here as well. You see, length is 100 millimeters. I'm going to convert these to inches and put them in. There we go. I've converted all of those from millimeters here over into inches for our product. And then shipping class, same as parent. We're going to be doing free shipping on all of these. Now, there's one more thing we need to do, and that's add an image right here. To do that, you would think it would be as easy as to go over here and to save the image how you would normally save an image, right? You'd come in here, right-click, but you can't do that. Now, there's a few ways to do this. We might be lucky, and they have the images down here, right? And a lot of times they'll do this. They'll add them down at the bottom. But in this case, they don't. So how do you get this image right here? Well, I typically inspect elements. So right-click, inspect on Google Chrome. And then you have to be a little bit code savvy here, guys. But if you dig through here, you'll be able to see that eventually we'll find our product image. So boom, it's not there obviously, so we'll click there. But you can just click around here until you find the product image, and eventually you will. Right there it is, boom. So we found the product image. We can copy that, come over to here, paste it, and boom, we have our product image, which we can download. You then go in here, click there, upload files, click that, boom, and now it is uploading this. It's important that you do this, that way your theme on the front end can switch to the color the user has selected. I'm going to go ahead and replicate all of this information in these other two variants here, and I'll see you guys here in a second. Alright, so there we go. All 3 of these products are now added. We can go ahead and click Save Changes down here. It's very important. You don't want to lose all of that work there. And now the basis of your product is set up. We can actually jump over here to the wooden iPhone stand preview and be able to see. Now, there's not a product image there. I'll show you why here in a second, but as you can see, it's on sale, marked down. We've got our long description there. We've got, if we select a product, images, right? So image there, and image there, right? There we go. Took it a second to change. We've got additional information here of the weight, dimensions, and colors that are available. Can add reviews in there when someone purchases the product, and then that's our theme, having other products at the bottom. So there we have that. But again, whenever we just land on this page, right, there's no image. So we need to solve that issue. How we do that is we come back over here, find the image we want to lead in with. I like this one here. So let's go ahead and do our inspect element as we've already talked about. Paste and save the image. Now we can come back over here and we want to set this as our product image right there. Come over to here, boom, and add the image. Now we'll have a basic product image. It's also probably a smart idea to add a few more product images by adding in a product gallery down here. So if we go in here, we can actually scroll down, and they have some images of these in desks, which I kind of like this. Now, assuming that we get lucky and these are all separate images, that won't be a problem, and they are, which is great. There we go. So now we've downloaded all of those images. We can come over here and add these to the product gallery, and boom, right like that. We can then organize them however we want once they are uploaded, but my internet seems to be being just a teeny bit slow, so I'll see you guys once these are done uploading. After the upload is finished, you'll see all of these having been selected and checked. Just go ahead and click Add to Gallery. Now we can just click around down here and drag them around however we want. I'm going to set them up, I think like that, right? Both of the MacBook ones and then the individual ones there. Now if we go ahead, and I'm actually going to turn this off. Apparently it's been posting to our social media when I've been doing these tutorials. Go ahead and click publish there. Now it will go ahead and publish this product. I mean, to me, this is a finished, dropped, shipped product, and it's not taking us too long to create it. You'll just recreate these steps over with every single product you want to drop ship, and there we go. Nice lead-in product image. Then we can flip through all of these right here. Boom, boom, boom. Choose an option, walnut, bamboo, or beechwood. Then we can scroll down, and there's our information about the product. We've got our short description right here as well. Perfect and in place. And if we go to our shop page, which I like to see, I want to see how this looks on our shop page. And we'll be able to see it there as well. So that is awesome stuff. So there it is on our shop page, looking mighty fine. So there you guys have it. I'm going to go ahead and add this to a category real quick, but basically that is done, right? You are complete when it comes to setting up your dropshipped product. Just create this over and over and over again. One pro tip though here. Okay guys, one pro tip to doing this is to take your AliExpress link right here, right? Take this AliExpress link, save it somewhere off of your website, just in case. Save it in a note document, and then back that note document up in Dropbox. Just make sure you save this link. It's very, very important to do that. Nevertheless, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to check out the Always Keep Learning shirt or our very poorly branded Nick and Patrick shirt and how we set those up, you can check out the eye up there to see how to set up your own t-shirt shop using WooCommerce and WordPress. Also, if you want to grow on YouTube, check out this ebook on nickandpatrick.com/shop. Give that a purchase and check it out. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content exactly like this every single day of the week. My name is Nick. This has been the Breakdown How To, and I'm out, guys. Peace.